Hello guys, what's up? We are back again with another question from our DSA challenge series. So let's get started. So guys, today our question is remove nth node from end of the list. Yes, we are given a linked list and a number n which denotes nth node from the end which we need to delete. So let's see how we can do that. Now a simple intuition is like, okay, we can calculate the length of the linked list first and then we can place a pointer a node before the node we need to delete, and we can simply perform the delete operation by changing the link. But the catch here is we can also do it as it is also written in the follow-up of the question. We can also do it in one pass. That is, we can traverse all the elements only once and can delete this. So let's see the algo for that. Now, let's understand from this. Okay, so in this question, we are given n equals to 2, that is second node from the end. Now, think for a second, we need a pointer at this position, which is x minus 2 from the start, where x is the length of the linked list. Okay, so we can think like we can have two pointers, slow and fast, and we can move fast for n equals to 2, and then we will start moving slow. Now what will happen is uh, when fast moves n equals to 2 times, then it ensures fast will move the throughout the linked list, but when fast moves n equals to 2 times, then it will ensure that the slow will move for x minus 2 times, where x is the length of the linked list. So in this way we can ensure that this pointer slow takes up this position after uh, when the fast is traversing the whole linked list. So let's see the code now. Okay, code is very simple. If heads next is null, that is only one node, then we will return null. Now we are storing n as a count, and while count minus minus, we will what we will do, we will increment fast. That is, first we will increment the fast pointer up till n places. Now there is one edge case, if fast equals to null. Now what do you mean by fast equals to null in this case? That we need to remove the head node. So we will simply implement the slow and return slow. Now if fast is not equals to null and fast next is not equals to null, that is the normal case. And we have traversed fast n times. So we will traverse both slow and fast. And we will simply delete by storing the temp node in the slows next and slows next as temps next. Finally, we will return head. So yeah, guys, thank you so much. This was all from this question. Just in case you liked the video, you understood the solution, make sure you hit the like button, press the subscribe button, share it with your friends. Thank you so much, guys. We shall see you next time.